Bitcoin might be here on the brink of a major trend reversal to the downside. But that comes with a twist. This could be actually something really, really good. And I'm going to show you today why that is. But we should be prepared for a move to the downside. And there are specific levels that we have to watch right now and to pay close attention for the next move happening here in the coming hours, potentially tomorrow, before we see a move back to the upside. If you think that is interesting, then definitely stick around here. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, you are liking this video, and also activate the bell to never miss out on these really important videos. And now I have to put back the microphone somewhere, somehow here where I had standing it. Okay, now we are good. Let's go into the charts. So here on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin has struggled to break above this downward sloping resistance line here now multiple times. We can see that all the way from the top here, from the local top, then here where we touched that line again, and now down here we touched it also today twice and failed to break above that. And now this channel that we were trading and respecting in for quite a while, where we were bouncing up and down in between, has now come potentially to an end of that range, where the Bitcoin price is getting closer and closer to the downwards holding bottom line of that range and retesting the lower end of the range over and over again. And you guys, you know the drill. The more we test the level, the more likely it is that at some point it's going to break to the downside. So here on the 1 hourly chart, if in the next 1 hour the price will not jump back up because the stochastic RSI is getting oversold, then we should be prepared to see one major leg to the downside, where I hope when we get down there, we're going to see a quick move and big support coming in and moving back to the upside. When we're moving then on to the 12 hourly chart, things looking even here a little bit more bearish than on the 1 hourly chart. For once, the downwards sloping resistance line on the RSI with the divergence in the price action, where we had here an upward sloping resistance, might be now in play. Remember that I told you, if we don't break with the price above that line, and also the RSI is not moving above that line, that the bearish divergence might be still here in play. And with the break of $30,100, it was basically cemented that this bearish divergence might be now in play. And the target of that is the imbalance all the way down here at 28,400, 28,850. So that hopefully will give some support to Bitcoin and initiate a trend reversal back to the upside above and beyond $30,000. So, but like I said, for the time being, we have to be cautious here that we could potentially drop into that imbalance to clean it and only then continue move back to the upside. And something that I pointed out here, interestingly, over and over again, is that in crypto, these imbalances, when we get to them, no matter if to the upside or to the downside, normally the price action overshoots it and only then comes back up. So there is the potential that we go all the way down to 28,000, 27,700, 400, something like this. That could be here right now the play for Bitcoin over the next coming hours and days. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this volatile market with me together, do it on a BYBIT. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free. I think for the next 5 days, 4 days-ish, then it's going to change. Only with that specific link down here. And also on BingX, you can copy my trades. The link is also here in the description and in the pinned comment below. Just to point this out. And also, you can copy trade me on a BYBIT. You can see here over the last 7 days, people that copied me made 42% more or less. I have a 100% win rate, and the average return per signal with the people that are following me is $140. But that is based on the money that they are putting into copy trading. If they would allocate more, also the average profit per trade would be higher. So I have a lot of people that have small accounts, and that's why the average is $140 here across all people that are following me. And of course, you can see here on the earnings, the cumulative ROI and the cumulative profit is here in an upwards trend. And I don't have any intention to break this anytime soon. Also for that, you find actually a link in the copy trading tutorial that you find at the end of the video. I will blend it up here in the corner there. You're gonna see that. When we're going back to Bitcoin, then also here on the 12-hourly chart, the chandelier exit indicator was here in an uptrend where we got here this buy signal down here. And every time when the price action gets close to that green line and is about to break it, we are going back into a downwards trend that allows us to short Bitcoin until this trend is reversing here again. Let me show it to you. So you see here, we got a buy signal because the price was moving up, then gradually declining until we broke the green line here and flipped into a downtrend. And then again here with that buy candle, we got an upwards move. So and now we're again at the point, once we are breaking the green line, potentially with the 12-hourly candle that we have right now, and getting a sell signal, that we will get on the 12-hourly chart a downwards period. So if I just go to the last one, that lasted for 14 days. I don't believe that we will have a 14 days downwards trend. I believe that this will be a short-lived one and basically a false signal on the chandelier exit indicator, because I believe that it will be something like this here in that range, that sell signal, and then actually we directly reverse back to the upside. And that is also due to the fact that the stochastic RSI is already heavily oversold. The normal RSI is getting closer to oversold conditions, not quite there yet. And the MACD actually is showing that the selling pressure is fading out and potentially gives us soon a new buy signal based on the signal line and the trend line. So the blue line is the trend line. Once this is curving up a little bit more, we will get a buy signal, and then then we should reverse back to the upside. So here you see the price is right now trying to attempt to break under the chandelier exit indicator. That's why this was shortly flipping completely dark red. And that's why I believe we could see an extensive period of like 4 to 8 candles on a 12-hourly chart, more in red before it flips green again, and we see then the price action coming back to the upside. When we are talking about levels here, you can clearly see here on this 12-hourly chart, when I draw in here some horizontal lines, that the first level of support is exactly as I said on the 1-hourly chart, around $28,865. And if we lose that, then the next one would be, the strongest one would be here all the way down at $27,400. We can also have a quick look on the VPVR. Yeah, also here, so you see also the point of control is around $28,000. So that should give us some sort of support. That a big cluster down here from 28,000 all the way up to $28,400. So you see, it makes a lot of sense that this might be the target for the bears to the downside, and also for the bulls to reverse the price back to the upside, because I believe that definitely some sort of support is coming in here, and that from there we're going to see Bitcoin moving back to the upside, and that will be not really bad for Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs a breather after moving so aggressively from 26 all the way up to almost 32, a $6,000 move, and then some sideways consolidation phase. So a more or less barred pattern makes sense in my opinion here, but like I said, I believe it will be really short-lived and Bitcoin will come really quick back up to these levels. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.